dude. I just met a fucking magician. Damn, I wish I had it on camera. But the guy's legit, dude. He said people make $100,000 a year. And get this, he knows every celebrity, every freaking wrestler. He knows Roddy Piper. He knew The Undertaker, Mark Howell. I mean, what? Jeez, dude. That's crazy. You took the cards. Well, yeah, think of like these coins. You go like this. You know, took my hand. Take this. Or take that. Now, one of the coins were like literally gone. I mean, guy is 100%, dude. See? It's magic. Guy's testimony of it. That's crazy. You know, all the way to the animal towards steel. I mean, everyone. Guys, you know, stealing shit. But, dude, is the best. Calm down. Hey, but dude, overall, no, not second. That's the spikes. Those words, no, what's going on with that? No, why not? But bro, that was fucking epic. Dude, wow. Swear more guys, more to come. Like I said, at times we're starting to feel positive. You know, it is because I feel like they're going to talk about it and when a client will walk out, but this was just, I don't know, you know, Ruby Storm, guys, goes away. Swear more guys, more to come.